Welcome to our video on Debian 12.11 Bookworm, an important update in the Debian operating system's evolving journey. Released in May 2025, this version brings a slew of improvements and enhancements designed to bolster stability and security for users around the world. In this video, we'll delve into the main features and the critical updates that make Debian 12.11 a must-have for your systems. One of the standout aspects of Debian 12.11 is the impressive array of bug fixes that total 81. These fixes cover various components within the system, addressing a range of issues that users have encountered since the previous release. From resolving graphical glitches in desktop environments to fixing sound driver issues, developers have meticulously honed the system to ensure a smoother user experience. Such attention to detail not only improves functionality but also boosts user satisfaction, making daily tasks that much easier. In addition to addressing bugs, Debian 12.11 also places a strong emphasis on security. This release includes 45 security updates, reflecting the developer's commitment to providing a safe computing environment. With the ever-evolving digital landscape and the continuous threat posed by cyber attacks, timely security updates are vital. These updates patch vulnerabilities in critical packages, safeguarding your data and maintaining system integrity. It's reassuring to know that Debian 12.11 is equipped with the latest protections right out of the box. Moreover, Debian 12.11 continues to enhance system performance and compatibility across a broad range of hardware. The update introduces improved driver support, making it easier than ever to run the operating system on various devices, from older machines to the latest high-performance systems. This versatility ensures that both new users and longtime enthusiasts can enjoy the benefits of a stable and efficiently running operating system tailored to their needs. In closing, Debian 12.11 Bookworm is an exceptional update that successfully balances bug fixes, security enhancements, and performance improvements. By incorporating 81 bug fixes and 45 security updates, Debian developers have reaffirmed their dedication to creating a reliable and secure environment for users. So, whether you're running a server, a personal computer, or exploring Debian for the first time, this version holds significant value. Be sure to download and experience the enhanced features of Debian 12.11 today.